Have you ever wondered how carbon is able to form four perfectly stable bonds in ethane, or why the shape around each carbon atom is a tetrahedral? In this video, we'll break down the hybridization of ethane step by step in the simplest way possible. Ethane is one of the simplest hydrocarbons and belongs to the alkane family. Its molecular formula is C₂H₆. It consists of two carbon atoms, six hydrogen atoms, and has single covalent bonds only. Now that we know what is ethane, let's understand its hybridization. Hybridization is the process in which atomic orbitals mix to form new hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals help us explain the molecular bonding, bond angles, and molecular geometry of a specific compound. To understand hybridization more clearly, check out our video on it. Its link will be in the description. To understand the hybridization of carbon, you must first take a look at the electronic configuration of carbon itself. Carbon has 6 electrons in total, out of them 4 are valence electrons. Thus, the valence shell configuration comes out to be 2s2, 2p2. In its ground state, carbon has only 2 unpaired electrons. That means it should form only 2 bonds, but experimentally, carbon forms 4 bonds in ethane. So how is this possible? To solve this problem, one electron from the 2s orbital gets promoted to the 2p orbital. Now, carbon has 1 electron in the 2s orbital and 3 electrons in the 2p orbital. This creates 4 unpaired electrons that can now form 4 bonds. Now 1s orbital and 3p orbitals both mix to form 4 sp3 new hybrid orbitals. Now each sp3 orbital contains 1 electron and is ready to form a covalent bond. Thus the hybridization of ethane is sp3. The 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals arrange themselves as far apart as possible. This creates a tetrahedral geometry and a bond angle of approximately 109.5 degrees. Now let's quickly summarize what we have learned. Each carbon atom in ethane undergoes sp3 hybridization. The geometry around carbon is tetrahedral. The bond angle observed is 109.5 degrees. All bonds in ethane are sigma bonds. The hybridization of ethane is sp3. For more such videos, consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.